Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing good. Now, in this video, we'll discuss about the index array, or you can say the numeric array in PHP. Right? What is a numeric array? An array with a numeric index where values are stored linearly. And we use here the array function to create an array. Now, see practically how we can create index array. First of all, check the Apache server you have on, right? So now you can just start it now. And here we can write down first create the PHP. Create the array dollar month equal to array keyword. Here you can write down all these elements where you can write down here the multiple separated with the comma. Just going to write down all these elements. Now I've created an array, month array. How we can display all these values? Function. So we will use here the print underscore r to display all these values. Write down here dollar array check array dot. Write down the name of array dot. You can see all these values which have numeric index, right? That is why it is called the indexed array or numeric array. You can arrange this array in you can use here the pre-tag, pre-formatted tag, and this way you can just play all this array. Right. So here you can see the index value that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. If you have to display the first element, or here we just want to display the marks, how we can display? Just comment this. Just show the value by using this. I'm just going to first any element you can display by using the index value. So dollar month is month and index value of March 0, 1, and 2. So you can write down the 2. So what will be the output? You will get the output here. That is the March, right? So just check the output. Yes, March. This way you can create all these one by one, right? But this is not the right way to display, populate all these array values. When we write down here the 3, you will get the 0, 1, 2, 3. You will get the April, right? Also inside between you can use the BR tag so that you can see here. So now you can see the all these elements, March and April, whichever you can just want to show, you can display these values. Right. Now, question how we can display all these value array values. You know, if you have to display all these by using the any loop like a for loop. So just try to understand if you have the array, this one is the month, and we just need to pass here the index value. First is the 0, right? You will get here the, and similarly, the second meant that is the index value 1. And how we can display all these values here? Feb is the March, April. Now, you just need to change the index here only, right? Index. Now, for this, just going to display all these values, we'll use here the for loop, right? What we need to do, 0, we have to, by using loop 0 to 5, right? Now, comment these things and use these, here I'm just going to the output you will first write down the here dollar, just here the months I am going to write up for you. For just dollar item, dollar I is equal to 0, dollar I is less than, if we write down here the 0 1 0 2 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? So 0 2 less than equal to 6, or you can, and third parameter here, third we can write down here, we can, first one is the initialize, third check the condition, and third parameter here we use here the dollar I plus plus. Display the value in, write down here the index array, that is the dollar months, and now you can write down the, here you can use the write down dollar I. So you will get the output. First time it will start with the 0, then it will just put here also the BR tag and the same BR tag, right? So next time 0 1 2 up to this, or we can write down, it is better to just write down the count array values. So array we can count, use the count function to count the length of an array. Count, how can we count? By using the count function, count. So it will display all number of elements in an array. We can use the count function. Right. So this is the, instead of writing the counting and write down the number, it's better to use the count function. Just check. It is the, what will be the output of this? It will display undefined variable dollar months. Undefined, why the error? Because I have written here the month. So don't, that is here month. Now check. Yes. Now you can get all these array elements, whatever you have created. That is simple way to display all these array values in by using the for loop, right? So only just things you just need to understand: what is the index value of 0, 1 for variable 1, March 2, April 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And when we display the first element, 0th element here, you can see that the month 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now, only instead of writing 0, repetitive process, very lengthy process. If you have a number of hundreds elements, we will display like this, 1 to 100 low. So instead of writing this repetitive process, we can just use the for loop and place here the statement like this: start value 0 to end. I hope it is clear the point which I explained here. And next video, we will discuss about the associative array, and we'll use there the another loop, that is the for each loop. It is very interesting, very easy to learn. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now. See you.